Alright, Nick, so, why don't we explain why we're changing this motor in your BMW?
So how far back are we starting with? First,
why don't we start with what happened to your first BMW?
About 6 months ago now, right? Or
it was June.
Oh, it was June?
It's September now, it was June when this happened.
So 3 months ago.
Many months ago.
It was the night before my younger brother's graduation.
Yeah.
Me, him, my dad, and my younger sister are in the car. We're coming back from visiting the family. And we go past the one neighbor's house, and
well, why did we go past the neighbor's house? Why did
there was a noise in the back, and we can't ignore anything.
Yes, because I told you I heard a noise, and we should go down the hill so we could try to hear it.
Yeah, so we go past the neighbor's house, and maybe heard a couple of shots down there, but nothing's too unusual.
We live in the country. That's not unusual.
People raccoon hunting, all kinds of things tonight. We didn't think too much of it. So we're coming back the other way, and we see a car drive up out of the ditch, and tearing shit past us the other way, and then there's a Jeep facing the wrong way in the middle of the street.
Well, no. He went up the road, turned around, and then came back.
But anyway, I guess, I don't know whether he confused us for whoever he hit or anything like that, but I wound up with a, what's the best way to put this? A Jeep bumper through my door, touching my leg.
No, the Jeep rammed us in the front first, but threw it in reverse, and then backed up and ran into the side of the car.
Yeah,
so many cops came.
Yeah, many cops later, a few court dates, and all kinds of crazy shit.
We just went to the court date.
Well, but there's a few court dates for him.
Yeah, either way. But,
we wound
so
up
that BMW got
totaled.
And if we're clever at all, a picture of that might appear right now.
The thing was, we went out and I bought another car, an 05 330 XI 6-speed, off of one of my brother's friends. But regardless, that was fun for about a week until boom.
You money shifted it, getting off 7
Allegedly.
Okay, somehow you made valves contact pistons.
I blame the engine.
I blame you. Valves contact pistons.
Regardless.
And if we're clever, a picture of that might appear too.
Regardless.
But we're probably not.
Engine is dead, and we're now in the act of replacing the engine, as can all see.
I would like to point out how many months ago so this was June, you bought that engine, a week or two after that, and seemingly have not done much of anything in the months since then.
It was in the assembly phase when you got here.
Nick, you did a weekend's worth of work on it the whole time.